Hey guys, here's how to create a Gumroad account. It's quick and easy, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. So first, open any browser and go to gumroad.com. So once you're on the homepage, click Start Selling. Gumroad is a platform where creators can sell digital products, memberships, and more to earn money. Now, to create an account, you can sign up using Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Stripe, or simply by entering your email and password. So for this example, I'll be signing up with my Google account. After that, Gumroad will send a two-factor authentication code to your email. Just go to gmail.com, copy the code, and paste it to the login box. Then, click Login. If you didn't receive the code, click Resend Authentication Token. So once that's done, your Gumroad account is successfully created and you're now logged in. This is your dashboard. You'll find sections like Home, Products, Checkouts, Posts, Audience, Analytics, Payouts, and Discover. You can start by clicking Create your first product to begin selling. And that's it. That's how you create a Gumroad account. Thanks for watching.